Welcome to our opticalo second webshop tutorial for ordering stock lenses. This tutorial is made to help you to introduce stock lenses in our web platform opticalo. So we're gonna show you how to proceed in two different ways. So you connect to the platform like usually. So the first way is to click on new stock lenses orders. Then you have possibility to select your stock lenses by using filters. For example, I want just photochromic stock lenses and index 1.6. I will have a faster access to the lenses. So you pick up the lens, for example, Nano 1.6 transition gain 8 brown HMC. Then you will have to select your diameters by clicking on them and your powers by clicking on the rectangles. For example, I want +1 spherical in diameter 65. System will ask you to validate quantities. You can add quantities, 2, 3. I will stay with 1 quantity. And you can review here your power and your diameter. Once it's selected, it appears in yellow. And for example, I want a spherocylindrical lens, stock lens, +250, +1 cylinder, with diameter 65. So here it's selected, as you can see, and they will appear on the right column. After selecting them, you can add them to the cart, and then it's simple. You just need to have to place your order. Your order has successfully been sent. Second way to introduce the stock lenses is by passing through the path of the new RX lenses order. So you click on it, you type the wearer reference, for example, test Jean, the powers, 5 spherical. Here, as you want stock lenses, you will untick manufacturing because you want only stock lenses. So I want, for example, stock lens in single vision, organic, 1.6. And for example, I want Nano 1.6 blue line. Then you press next. Then you select your diameter. And please refer to our catalog to see the available diameters. If your diameter doesn't appear, please call our customer service. They will keep you informed about possibilities. So then you complete your order and you add it to the basket. Same process like before. You can view your cart, review it, and check if everything is fine. These lenses are stock lenses, and you just have to place your order after. Then your order has successfully been sent. To be sure the order has been successfully transmitted, you can go to My Orders and track it, and you will see both your orders transmitted. For example, I transmitted this order right now through the second way, or this order through the first way. After performing a calculation and reviewing all the thicknesses, you have a possibility to review it in a different way using the 3D view. On the top right corner, you click on 3D view, and then you can catch the lens and make it rotate to see how it looks like with the base and the thicknesses. Feel free to use this functionality to see if the lens meets your expectations. Thanks for watching.